Miss Nishan. Hello, Aspamate. Hello. I'm Janina Pascal Paz. I'm from Ilocos Norte. I'm 27 years old and I am happily married. Yeah. And I currently specialize in Amazon SEO. I am a proud product of ASVA Masterclass Elite Batch 20 under Coach Hannah Blancas. Hello, Coach Hannah. Shout out sa'yo.
Gusto ko lang
Mm-mm.
singit na bagay kayo ni Coach Hannah. Yun lang. Okay, go ahead. And then,
So before becoming an ASVA, I was that ed teacher for about 3 years before resigning in February 2021, I guess. And due to health issues, as in depression malala, mga moments na feeling ko super blank ang utak ko, my whole self. It really happened. And I really took the time to rest and heal, recover. And I'm so thankful to my family and to my boyfriend, of course, who is now my husband, for always being there for me during those times. I spent that time to really reflect what I truly wanted in my life. It was a very challenging moment for me because I felt like I was starting from scratch ulit. So when I began to feel more balanced, nung na-sense ko na papunta na ako dun sa path to recovery, so I decided to explore ways to earn because top reason for that is I didn't want to be a burden to my family and to my parents. So to cut the story short, nobody really pressured me. I pressured myself. I pressured myself to earn. So all of them were saying that health is more important. Well, that's true. I'm not disregarding that. Na our health should be our priority, right? Sabi nga ng boyfriend ko noon, na kahit di na ako mag-work, he'll find ways to sustain me, sustain us once we get married.
wow.
Yes. Ganon.
Yan
Even my
dapat.
father, even my parents told that. And then I was like, okay. Pero deep inside, I didn't want to settle for less. I didn't want to settle for that. Kasi I want to feel fulfilled. I have a vision and goal in life. Gusto ko ng yung progress, gusto ko ng personal growth. So, February 2021 nung nag-resign ako and March 2022 nung nag-enroll ako sa ASVA. So that's more than a year gap. Within those times, ang dami kong trinay. I tried selling pre-loved dresses. I tried selling brand new clothes, posting on my Facebook page, my personal Facebook na rin, Facebook account. And also, I was doing live selling. Ang hirap. Nagbenta rin ako ng mga kalimba instruments and yung YouTube channel ko, a small YouTube channel, I was able to monetize it by uploading kalimba tutorials. So, ayun, I even considered enrolling in another course kasi ang dami kong gustong i-pursue during that time. So, that was my life before becoming an Amazon VA. I'm doing things na pwede kong gawin. Yung pwede kong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang kasi I'm avoiding physical exhaustion. I was very cautious and I was very, mindful kasi ayoko maka-encounter ng triggers that might lead to a relapse, ganon. I didn't even know how I managed to get through it because I felt lost, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful for today. I feel so blessed.
Yeah, it seems that your energy and aura, diba? It seems that you are in the right place at the right time. And can I just say that I love how empowering your story is, that you've mentioned na you want to have your own money, diba? Mahirap naman kung we're always relying on our parents, on our partners. So I love you for that, girl.
Yeah, thank you. Kasi, I have been praying for this opportunity to share my story and inspire others. I want people to know that this career is real.
Wow, it's legit.
It's existing. Yes, it's existing.
Nice. And you're 27 years old and married na pala.
Mm-mm.
Do you see the self as, di ba, kung magkaroon ka na ng kids in the future, do you still see yourself working as an Amazon page?
Yes, why not?
Why
Super, I can
not?
see myself.
Oo, kasi 'di ba you have more time with your kids when you're at home
Mm-mm.
and then with your partner, no? And going back, paano pala
Yes.
yung naging transition mo from live selling, from YouTube, building your own, 'di ba, influencer life in social media? Paano napasok yung pagiging Amazon bee?
I don't know if I already mentioned it. I was very eager to have a source of income kasi paubos na yung savings from the previous na job. So, nung na-feel ko na I'm slowly recovering, so yung utak ko is, it was fully activated. Like, it is open to any opportunity na feeling ko kaya kong i-handle. Kaya nga ginawa ko yung mga anek-anek na ganun. So, marami
Yeah.
akong nakikita online, sell this and sell that, ganun. So, then one day while browsing on TikTok, dumaan sa FYP ko yung video ni Nikki B. Dumaan siya sa ano ko, FYP ko. So, sino ba naman yung hindi magiging interested sa yung mapapanood mo na you can earn up to 6 digits by just working from home? Di ba?
Isa rin ako sa
100K.
mangha noon.
Yes, it's wow. Pwede pala yun. Parang ganun yung na-feel ko noon. So, it was really too good to be true, di ba? But still, I was so curious about it. There's an eagerness inside of me. So, ayun, pinanood ko lang hanggang dulo. Hanggang, di ko naman alam yung pinagsasabi, di ba? Pero pinanood ko hanggang dulo talaga. Ano yung ASVA? Ano yung Amazonation? Ganun. Alam ko yung freelancing, pero not the ASVA thing. So, research ako. I did my own investigation, due diligence. Yes, I did my
Yan.
own due diligence. Hanggang sa napadpad ako sa mga success stories ng Amazonation.
What was your favorite success story that really inspired?
Of course, yung success story ni Miss Coach Lish Aquino. I
Yeah.
was very inspired by her story, and also yung personality niya, very humble, yung humility niya, and very empowering siyang magsalita. I also happened to attend one of her power hours, parang ganun nung 2 years ago. So, nakita ko yun. And he was talking about this career changed her life and her goal to teach yung mga natutunan niya over the years, na she learned all things by herself. So she wants everyone to also have that opportunity to earn while just working from home. So, ayun.
I super agree with you when you said na she has
Mm-mm.
humility and humble
Yes.
siya. And it's actually me and what the other people, di ba, na-entice sa kanya kung bakit naka-enroll. Because,
Mm-mm.
di ba, like, ganun ang leader eh. When you see someone who has done it all, wala kang na-feel na yabang or anything. We are just naturally drawn to them. And yun, kasama ko pala si Coach Lish last week yon. So hopefully makasama ka namin rin sa mga meetups as well.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yes. Ika saan ka pala, Janina?
Dito sa Ilocos, nag-attend ako last year,
Mm.
noong November.
Year-end
Nag-attend ako.
party.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh
Yung
my
year-end party, I was
gosh.
there.
It was so fun, no? Can you share to us your
Mm-mm.
experience at dahil na-mention mo yan?
Maganda yung may ganung activity once in a while. Hindi lang naka-confine tayo sa, we are working from home. So akala nila dito lang tayo sa loob ng bahay. But we have those activities, and it's really a great opportunity for us to catch up, building your network, building your portfolio. And then suddenly there's someone's client is needing of someone, and then they're gonna recommend you because you are interacting with them and you have established your relationship with them. So, ang ganda ng experience na yun. Ang fun.
Ganun ba yung naging personal experience mo? Talagang na-build mo
Mm-mm.
yung network mo doon?
Kasi may na-encounter rin akong batchmate ko doon.
Oh, nag-meet din kayo
Mm-mm.
doon.
Yes, first time naming mag-meet.
One of the things that I like about in a community, lalo na pag meron kang kakilala pang other Amazon VAs, you can ask for
Mm-mm.
referrals or ask for tips. Ako, there was a time na nawalan ako ng client. Nag-ask lang ako sa isa kong kabatchmate. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, pinasa na niya rin
Mm-mm.
sa
Ang
akin
ganda.
yung client niya na hindi na rin niya kaya ma-handle. So, community is very important. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, going back to you naman as a student, how was it like being a student of ASVA, being under Coach Han? Can you share to us your experience?
Yeah, of course. My experience as a student of ASVA, it opened up parang whole new world. Anong kanta na yun eh? Parang whole new world
Whole new
for
world.
me. Parang ibang perspective na, yeah, binigyan niya ako ng a different perspective in life on how people earn a living and made me realize that opportunities like this truly exist. Kaya nga nang sinabi ko kanina. You know, I love ASVA and I am very grateful to ASVA, Coach Hannah, Coach Lish, and everyone who makes up the team. Hindi naging madali yung journey, but it challenged me enough to excel kasi nga may goal ako sa life. And I believe in myself na kaya ko. So it's rewarding. Even now when I look back on that journey, I still can't believe na I actually did it. Yung too good to be true pala, totoo pala. So the ASVA Masterclass is parang a heaven sent for me. Especially, meron ka na ngang coach, meron pang community, and you also have 12-month access to the training, to the video. So, as in very sulit, I really maximize that. Even the community, I maximize that. I read everything. Sinusulit ko kasi I make sure to attend one-on-one sessions and group sessions. I've always asked questions from my coach, from others, concerns, and personal challenges also. Kasi hindi rin naman biro yung enrollment fee, di ba? Hindi biro yon. So, sinulit ko talaga. Wala akong sinayang na peso or centavo man. Ang ganda ng ASPA.
Oh, we're so happy also na na-maximize mo. Ganun dapat, no?
Yes.
We should be the
Mm-mm.
one to always take action, mina-maximize lahat ng resources inside. And yes, hindi din talaga biro yung ganun yung pambayad natin, yung
Mm-mm.
enrollment
Oo.
fee. Kailangan lahat
Correct.
ma-maximize, mag-connect, gawa ng homeworks, and, di ba, other things.
Mm-mm.
Speaking of challenges, ano ba yung challenge na personal experience mo?
One major challenge I encountered was that when I was just starting, I had no relevant or direct experience. That's a fact, as in 100%. Yung direct experience talaga na nagka-client na, and also, it was a new career path for me. So, paano ko makukonvince ang mga clients to hire me when I had no relevant experience, di ba? I felt like nobody would hire a newbie. But I was wrong. Do you know how ASVA helped me with that? It's
Wow.
because the course is very well packed. Naunahan lang ako ng anxiety ko, ng nervous ko. So, nandun na lahat sa course. I was not only able to learn the skills about being an Amazon VA, I also learned a lot in the art of seduction. Pinakapal niya yung mukha ko. Yung confidence ko. Ang dami kong natutunan, lumakas ang loob ko. Well, it's true, I don't have the actual experience talaga, but I already had the skills. I just needed to learn how to present myself, position myself, and overcome that, what we always call the imposter syndrome, at mga limiting beliefs natin, ayon, na-break sila, na-break lahat ng mga yon. So, na-realize ko in the ASVA Masterclass. Kasi iba kasi yung yung training period na, tapos iba yung challenge when you start finding clients at yung mag-apply ka talaga. So, na-realize ko if you really put your time, effort, and focus into understanding each and every lesson that was presented in that full pack course, hindi lang skills ang matututunan mo talaga. Pati pag-apply, how to craft a resume, your resume, paano mag-respond sa mga clients professionally during an interview, and yung paano mo i-align yung personal and professional skills sa role na ina-applyan mo. You will learn all of those things. And mapapaniwala ka talaga sa sarili mo. Parang hindi mo kaya pero you already have it in you. Pero reinforce lang ng ASVA. Parang ganun yung mangyayari. Na whatever experiences you had in the past, or even if you are a fresh graduate, you will learn the strategy on how to connect things to address the pain points of clients.
Wow! Oh my
Diba?
gosh!
Diba? Yung magic word talaga na pain points. Ganun talaga.
Ang
Yun yung
perfect.
natutunan ko.
Kung may pageant lang or Miss Universe, Amaze Nation, isa ka na sa kandidato namin.
Ay, sige.
Yun ang mga
Maano
Q&A.
na. Yeah. I really love reflecting. I find joy in reflecting.
For someone na, di ba, newbie ka, we were all once newbie,
Mm-mm.
and then look at you
Yes.
now, you're having that wisdom, you're having that very golden tips that you can share to people. Paano mo naman na-win yung first client? How did you find that client?
Before finishing the course, di ba, we were required to send out as many applications as we could. Sige, go, 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 send lang ng send. Ganun ako noon sa online jobs, di ba? So, maraming factors that helped me land my first client. Number one is applying what I have learned from the masterclass, understanding the service you are offering, understanding the role you are applying for, and optimize your profiles. As in, napakalaking tulong yan. Yung LinkedIn mo. Pwede rin yung Facebook mo if you used to connect it with the client soon. And also your resume talaga. Make your resume as optimized that it can be personalize everything. Kasi believe me, by optimizing your public profiles, clients and HRs will reach out to you for doing so. Kasi na-experience ko na yun. And also, of course, yung certification ng ASBA. Because I have encountered foreign clients na familiar sila sa ASBA, alam nila yung course na ASBA at Amazonation. Di ba Amazonation noon, tas Amaze Nation na ngayon. So alam nila yun. Yung ano rin, I think, yung pakikipag-communicate sa client, not necessarily in perfect English. Kasi even sila sometimes, di ba, hindi basis yung perfect English, but it's more on how you interact with them professionally. Na let them know na you truly understand their needs and that you can help them solve that problem.
I love it, solving problems of
Ayun.
clients.
Actually, the first company that hired me was my Amazon guy. When I had the interview with them, hindi pa ako nakagraduate sa ASBA.
Oo. Bilis
May yung
ah.
interview ko sa kanila. Tapos June yung graduation. Tapos July ako nag-sign ng contract with them. So parang inarrange talaga ni God yung mga pangyayari. Tapos ang mahirap pa doon, it was a full graveyard shift. Pero tinabaho ko talaga kasi I was a newbie. I wanted to gain on experience. So it was still a blessing. Nagtook ako ng risk and it's all worth it. Until now, it's all worth it. Wala akong pinagsisihan na nag-graveyard shift ako, full 8 hours habang natutulog yung iba. Dilat na dilat ako, and then while I was asleep during the day, sila naman yung may activities. So parang I really took that risk. I sacrificed. So yeah.
People like you will be really blessed. Kung ano yung mga mamanifest mo, mga pangarap mo in life. Kasi pinaghihirapan eh. So, ibibigay yan talaga sa'yo ng universe. And congrats ha, ang first client mo pala may Amazon guy.
Ang saya.
Oh,
Ang saya talaga.
marami ka nga daw matutunan doon. And we're happy for you as
Sobra.
well.
As in, after nun, parang naging ticket ko na to success yung ASBA at my Amazon guy. I was
Established ka
able to,
na.
oo, parang, oo, somehow established na ako sa field. I can say naman, somehow. Pero siguro hindi pa yung extreme na extreme. Pero if I compare my journey noon, whenever I wanted to get some clients, parang nahihirapan ako, go lang ng go. Kasi nga, I was trying to establish myself. Pero ngayon na, I'm so happy because I'm able to set my preferences na. Kung gusto ko ng flexible hours, no time tracking na, and also, I can present myself full package with those preferences na because I'm more confident with the services that I'm offering now and I already have direct and relevant experiences. Ganun yung life. I think any field. Ganun talaga.
And you're a full package.
Wala namang nag-start na professional agad, di ba? We were
Everyone.
all beginners.
Totally agree, no? Lahat naman ay nagiging beginners. And ikaw, napansin ko sa'yo na kinuha mo lahat ng opportunity, whatever it is, to learn about being an Amazon bee. Yeah. And right now, yung client mo, may Amazon guy or new client na?
Di na.
Oh, but tumaas na syempre, di ba?
Yes. Feeling premium. Feeling
And
premium.
speaking of premium, if you can give us a range or salary reveal para naman sa ating mga aspirants na once katulad lang natin na nanonood, could you give us a range?
Parang it's 5 to 6 times than my salary when I was still teaching.
Wow, 6 times.
Parang ganun.
Bibilang ako mamaya. Titingnan ko magkano sweldo na teacher.
Pero may
Comment down
kaltas yun kasi palagi
below.
akong late.
May ganon.
Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang, joke lang.
Oh my gosh, I am so happy and proud of you. Nakikita ko naman sobrang blooming and glowing mo, dear, no?
Mm-mm.
And
Masaya ang buhay.
yan, same mo pag may ganito. Real talk lang naman tayo, 'di ba? Ito ang tunay nagpapa-fresh sa atin. If you
Yes.
could give us an ultimate advice before I let you go, no? Thank you so much also for your energy and napaka-generous mo sa mga tips na sa ating viewers. If you can give us
Of course.
a one, diba, ultimate advice, what would it be?
Be willing to sacrifice and take the risk. It's okay to start small. Learn from them, build your self up, upskill, ganun. Kasi di mo mamalayan after several months and years, nag-evolve ka na pala. Highly paid Amazon VA ka na pala. Alam ko marami dyan na how po. Pero how do you start is to take the first step, of course. To all aspiring ASVAs, remember that yourself is your greatest asset. So invest in yourself because the only way to become an Amazon VA is to start now and figure things out as you go. Kasi ganun din naman ako noon. And be brave. Tapang-tapangan. Yes, believe in yourself. Kasi I know the reason why people are being interested in this is because yung nakikita natin online na, yun nga yung 6 digits na parang hard to reach. Sometimes you are getting inspired by those. So kung isa ka sa mga na-i-inspire na gusto ring maka-earn ng significant amount while working from home, then take action. Don't limit yourself. Change your yung mindset talaga na anything is possible if you start taking action.
I love it. I love you. Don't limit yourself. Tayo lang naman ang gumagawa ng kadramahan natin.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Janina. I love your energy, your presence, di ba? Ang kalug-kalug ni Janina. And Miss Universe ang kanyang mga sagot.
Namimiss ko nga si Coach Hannah eh.
Oo, ako din, namimiss ko na din siya, yung very high energy niya. Anyway, any last words, Janina, to our audience?
Last words ko for you guys is to enroll na. Enroll na sa ASVA. In my case talaga, I feel blessed and fortunate because I didn't have to go through the common pitfalls of those who are just starting. So, if you have the means naman, yung mga iba nga inutang nila yung pinang-enroll, yun yung naririnig ko. So, if you have the means to pay for a course like the ASVA Masterclass, I strongly encourage you guys to enroll.
Go enroll. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Janina. And my last question to you is, are you a proud ASVA member?
Of course, 101%. I'm a proud ASVA member.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more about freelancing, follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram page. And if you have any inquiries, just contact the number on your screen. This is your Amaze Nation brand ambassador, Nina, and with Amaze Nation, we provide life-changing learning for extraordinary living. See you next time.